Explained, Replit AI in Streamlining Development. Discover how Replit AI revolutionizes coding efficiency and learn to harness its potential for faster, smarter development. Have you ever wondered how much time you could save if your coding tasks were automated? Welcome to the world of Replit AI, where innovation meets efficiency. In this video, we'll uncover how Replit AI is revolutionizing the way developers work, making coding faster and smarter than ever before. From automating repetitive tasks to seamless integration with cloud services, Replit AI is leading the charge in development innovation. Stay tuned to learn how you can harness this powerful tool to boost your productivity and transform your coding workflow.
Replit AI is packed with powerful features designed to make your development process smoother and more efficient. At its core, Replit AI offers automated code suggestions, helping you write cleaner and more effective code. The built-in debugging tools allow you to identify and fix errors quickly, saving you valuable time. One of the standout features of Replit AI is its real-time collaboration capabilities, which enable teams to work together seamlessly, no matter where they are in the world. Additionally, the AI-driven code completion feature intelligently predicts the next lines of code, further enhancing your coding speed and accuracy. With Replit AI, you can easily integrate these functionalities into your existing workflows, making it a versatile and indispensable tool for developers. One of the most significant advantages of Replit AI is its ability to automate repetitive coding tasks. Whether it's generating boilerplate code or handling routine programming patterns, Replit AI significantly reduces the manual effort required in coding. By automating these tasks, developers can focus more on complex problem solving and innovation. This shift not only increases productivity but also enhances job satisfaction, as developers can engage in more meaningful work. Replit AI handles repetitive tasks seamlessly, allowing you to boost your overall development efficiency and deliver projects faster. Replit AI's integration with cloud services is a game changer for developers. This feature allows you to access and manage your code from anywhere, ensuring that your development process is not bound by physical location. Additionally, cloud integration enhances team collaboration, enabling multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously without any hitches. With robust security measures in place, you can rest easy knowing that your data is protected. The scalability and flexibility offered by Replit AI's cloud integration make it an essential tool for modern development teams looking to innovate and grow. Replit AI takes team collaboration to the next level with its real-time features. Developers can work together in shared coding environments, improving communication and workflow efficiency. This level of collaboration ensures that projects are completed faster and with fewer errors. Replit AI's collaborative tools allow team members to see changes in real time, discuss them, and make decisions quickly. By streamlining team workflows, Replit AI enables development teams to be more agile and responsive to project demands, ultimately leading to more successful outcomes.
Debugging can often be a time-consuming and frustrating aspect of development, but Replit AI simplifies this process with its AI-driven tools. These tools help you identify errors quickly, allowing you to address them before they escalate into larger issues. By reducing the time spent on debugging, Replit AI allows you to focus more on developing new features and improving code quality. The AI-driven suggestions not only help you fix bugs but also provide learning opportunities, enabling you to write better code in the future. With Replit AI, debugging becomes a more efficient and less stressful part of the development process. Replit AI offers a cost-effective solution for developers looking to optimize their projects. By automating repetitive tasks and improving development efficiency, Replit AI helps reduce overall development costs. It also provides the scalability needed to grow your projects without significant financial constraints. With flexible pricing models, Replit AI allows you to choose a plan that fits your budget and development needs. By optimizing resource allocation, you can ensure that your projects are not only cost-effective but also deliver a higher return on investment. Replit AI's scalability and cost-effectiveness make it an attractive option for developers and organizations looking to maximize their development potential.
Security is a top priority when it comes to development, and Replit AI ensures that your code is protected with robust security protocols. These measures are designed to protect sensitive data and ensure secure cloud integration, preventing unauthorized access to your projects. Replit AI regularly updates its security features to address emerging threats and maintain compliance with industry standards. By prioritizing security, Replit AI provides peace of mind to developers and organizations, allowing them to focus on innovation without compromising on safety. Hearing from real users can provide invaluable insights into the effectiveness of Replit AI. In this section, we'll explore success stories from developers who have transformed their workflows using Replit AI. From startups to established tech companies, users have reported significant improvements in productivity and efficiency. Positive feedback highlights how Replit AI's features have enabled diverse application scenarios, inspiring new users to explore its potential. These testimonials serve as a testament to the impact Replit AI can have on your development process, offering inspiration and motivation to harness its full capabilities.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the powerful capabilities of Replit AI in streamlining development tasks. By automating repetitive tasks, enhancing team collaboration, and ensuring secure, scalable solutions, Replit AI is revolutionizing the way developers work. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to integrate Replit AI into your workflow. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on your experiences or questions about Replit AI. Join the revolution and transform your development process today.